Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are discussing permanent magnet moving coil instruments. PMMC is an electromagnetic instrument used for detecting and indicating electric current. It is a sensitive electromagnetic device which can measure low current even in the order of few ampere. The key importance elements in the PMMC meter instruments are moving coil, metal former, iron core, and indicating system. As shown in figure, this is an concave shaped permanent magnet. It is a rectangular aluminum former. Cylindrical shaped iron core is placed in the rectangular aluminum former. A thin insulated copper coil, it is wounded over this rectangular former. The whole structure is placed in between permanent magnet. It is supported by spindle by using 12 bearing. Two springs are connected at upper side and bottom side. Here spring at the bottom side is for controlling the torque. Pointer is fixed on pivoted coil for measuring the angular deflection of the coil. This is an calibrated scale. Is provided for converting angular deflection of the pointer in microampere. So, the working principle of PMMC instrument. A current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field experience the fold. So friends, this is a current carrying conductor is placed into magnetic field. It creates the electromagnetic field and they experience the force, that is a torque. So the use of the different key element using PMMC instrument. First of all, moving coil. Moving coil, it is made up of thin copper of many turns. It is placed in between strong magnetic field which is created because of the concave shaped permanent magnet. The orientation of this magnetic field with respect to the coil is radial. The coil is rectangular in shape. The coil gets deflected when the current passes through it. Metal former. The metal former, it is made up of aluminum. It supports the coil. The aluminum former provides necessary damping torque. Friends, the damping torque is created when the current flowing through the coil. It generates torque, deflecting torque, and this aluminum former provides necessary damping torque. It is rotated along with the coil. This metal former is rotated along with the coil. Then metal former. Metal former is made up of aluminum. It supports the coil. The aluminum former provides the necessary damping torque. It is rotated along with the coil. Iron core. The use of the iron core in PMMC meter is strengthen the linkage between permanent magnet and the coil. Iron core is stationary. Suspension. Suspension also plays an important role in PMMC meter. The coil, the whole coil, that means the coil which is placed in between permanent magnet is supported by the suspension at the both end in a vertical direction, that is upper side and bottom side. The whole arrangement consists of two phosphorus bronze hair-like springs. One is connected at upper side and second is connected at the bottom side. The current is led in and taken through the coil by the upper and the lower suspension.
So, for better understanding of PMMC instruments or a galvanometer, I have taken this video animation video from YouTube. So, as we already discussed, PMMC instrument is also called as de-Arsenal instrument. It is an electromechanical instrument. It is used for detecting and indicating an electric current. It is a sensitive electromagnetic device which can measure low current even of the order of few microampere. Galvanometer work as an actuator by producing a rotary deflection in response to the electric current flowing through the coil in a constant magnetic field. So, in a construction detail of permanent magnet moving coil galvanometer, the PMMC instrument it consists of two concave shaped permanent magnet having north pole and south pole. Its magnetic field is directed from north to the south. This is a rectangular frame. A light rectangular coil is wounded on this metallic frame. Is pivoted at the both ends so that coil is free to rotate about its fixed axis. The whole arrangement consists of two phosphor bronze hair-like springs. First one is connected at the upper side and second one is connected at the bottom side. Both of these springs are fixed from the other end with the help of binding screw. A cylindrical soft iron core is symmetrically positioned inside the coil. It can be used to improve the strength of the magnetic field. And this is a deflecting pointer. Is mounted on pivoted coil. It can be used to convert angular deflection of the coil. Two ends of the coil are connected to the two terminals of galvanometer. The principle of permanent magnetic moving coil is current carrying coil is placed in a magnetic field experience a torque. So here the supply voltage is applied to this coil so that current is allowed to pass through the coil. Current is start flowing from A to B in a upward direction in the left hand side of the coil and from C to D in the right hand arm of the coil. As shown in the animation, direction of the current is upward direction, and in this side direction of the current is in downward direction, and direction of the magnetic field is from north to the south. So that according to the left hand Fleming rule, when two couple of the force acting on the coil which will help to rotating the coil and causes angular deflection of the pointer. At this time, hairspring come into the play. It creates counter torque and it resists any extra unnecessary deflection. It can be used to prevent damage of the very sensitive pointer and always ensure proper functioning of the galvanometer. The corresponding calibrated scale it can be used to convert the angular deflection of the pointer into the microampere. In such a way that the PMMC instrument it can be used to measure. It can be used to take the measurement.